Pipettors offer many benefits in the lab, but attention to proper technique is crucial. Your pipettor has 3 push-button positions. Holding the pipettor vertically, firmly insert the tip. Working at a comfortable height, hold the pipettor vertically above your samples. Pre-wet the tip by aspirating and dispensing liquid. For the forward pipetting technique, push the button down to the first stop. Immerse the tip only a few millimeters below the surface. Slowly release the push button back up to the rest position. Pause with the tip still in the liquid. To dispense, with the tip at a 10 to 40 degree angle and resting against the side of a receptacle, push the button down to the first stop. Then, push the button to the second stop to ensure all liquid is dispensed. Finally, release the push button and eject the tip. Clean the exterior of your pipettor each day. Store your pipettor upright on a rack. Check the manufacturer's instructions for preventative maintenance, calibration schedules, and repairs. If your pipettor is having tip attachment problems, the tips may be incompatible with the pipettor. Inconsistent volume may simply be shifting of the volume wheel. Using the volume lock will correct this. A leaking tip can be a sign of a poor seal or improper tip attachment. Learn more about pipetting techniques with Corning.